What is up, guys? This is Megabytes Crypto back with another video here. Today I'm going to be covering a coin called Ankr. So you can see him was even more heavily invested until Elon Musk decided to stop payments for Teslas. Um, yeah, not super happy about that. But, I mean, this happens a lot in crypto, so I will keep hanging on and it'll bounce back, hopefully. Alright, so that being said, we're going to cover Ankr today. Ankr is pretty cool. Ankr basically uses data centers and idle processing power to process transactions. So if you are providing that processing power, you get, I think it's Ether in return, or Ankr. Well, you get paid. I don't know how much it is. I don't do it personally, but I think it's a great idea. So basically, these companies, the large data centers, say they're not using 10% of their computing, or they're not using 20% of their computing power, or they want to loan out 5% of it. So they'll stake 5% of it on Ankr, or use 5% of their computing power with Ankr, and they get paid for that. So kind of like what they'd be doing with mining. But at the same time, it's also processing these Ether transactions on the Ethereum network. So there's a lot of money being tossed around there, and I think it's a really good idea. It's created by Berkeley University. The guy who is kind of the head thing, he is, well, he's a co-founder, Chandler Song, but he was an engineer at Amazon Web Services and serves as the CEO, while Ryan Feng worked as an investment banker at Morgan Stanley. So these are real people back, University of California, Berkeley, a lot of smart people come from there. Two smart people from the, I wouldn't say, Amazon's a financial industry, so is Morgan Stanley. Amazon's a different type. But anyway, these guys, so Chandler Song introduced Ryan Feng to Bitcoin and blockchain during their freshman year in 2014. We talked him into buying 22 Bitcoin together. In 2017, those Bitcoins became the seed that funded the Ankr project. So these guys have been researching this for like 7 years. I've been researching this for like 6 months. Okay, these guys know what they're doing. This is a very expensive project that I think will be great. Maximum supply 10 billion coins. Right now, it's at 6.5 billion out there. So let's go up to the graph. 1 month. So you can see it's been pretty steady around 15 cents, and I think that's, if you see a dip below 15 cents, that's probably a good place to buy. Not financial advice, as everyone else says. You can see it has two pretty big peaks here at 0.2, so 20 cents. But you can see it's still kind of staying along that 15 line. So I think it will break out eventually. I don't know when. But you can see some pretty high volatility. Yeah, I went down to like 12 cents there. But it seems like the past 3 months it's stayed around that line. So I wouldn't be too worried about investing a lot of money right now at 13 cents. I think that is a steal. So let's move on. Oh yeah, market cap, it's in the top 100 coins. It was at like 1.2 billion earlier today. It's down 15% to 937 million. So let's go real quick to their website. These are people that worked on this project. We're in 16 different countries, so they understand different markets. The Goldman Sachs, people who've worked for it, these are all companies that that Ankr employees have worked for. So Fitbit, Morgan Stanley, Oracle, Yandex, BitGo, Amazon Web Services, Amazon, Ethereum, Goldman Sachs. I mean, some big names. So I mean, pretty big team here. This guy's wearing a headset, and he looks much younger than I thought he would. But don't be bothered by that. They're smart. So you can also stake. I'm not gonna lie to you. Not sure how that works. You can stake a node where the transactions will be processed on it, but that's different than the processing power. Let's do their story real quick. See if it's not just a bunch of hoopla, because I don't think it is. I think they're pretty smart people. Let's see, launch of Ethereum. So, it is on the Ethereum network, so it'll benefit from Ethereum 2.0. And that's really it for this coin. I mean, it's a coin on the Ethereum network that's used to pay for these extra processing power that is used for these Ethereum transactions and other transactions. I was trying to find the page. They have a page on here. Okay, here we go. Node market, direct access to 30 plus staking nodes at your fingertips. I mean, you can see a lot of big names in there. Stake, unstake, apply to be a validator, and many more custom features. Manage your nodes on the phone, but oh yeah, here it is. Okay, stake on your favorite networks. Look at all these. There's NewCipher, Quantum, Algorand, don't know, Icon. There's Kusama. Look, Polkadot, Tron. I mean, these are big names. So just know that this project is not just a useless coin. This is, look at all these projects it's involved with. It's crazy. So I think it is a really good investment. I'm sure I can know a little bit more about it. But if you have any comments, anything I missed, put in the comments below, because someone watching this video, it could help them. So like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow for a video on another random coin that I like. Alright, see you.